Hey eBay sellers, it's Suzanne A. Wells, and I have some important information if you sell partially used perfumes or lotions on eBay. Apparently, there has been an unofficial yet enforced policy change that is confusing everybody. My video about the Win hair products posted just a few hours ago, and I've been getting comments on YouTube as well as Facebook messages and emails about how people aren't able to sell this and there's been a policy change. So I'm really confused too. I went onto my Facebook group and posted this. Am I missing something? I've seen several times on social media in the past couple of weeks about the eBay health and beauty policy changing, that partially used is no longer allowed. I've not seen any official word from eBay or a link to the revised policy on eBay. And I thought people were just confused about what they could sell as far as what could be contaminated and what's not. The way it's always been before is you couldn't sell things like a used lipstick because that's contaminated, that's touched somebody's mouth, or used eyeshadow with an applicator because that has been contaminated. But things that would be in a bottle, such as a fragrance with a spray or a lotion that squirts out of a bottle or is used with a pump, things like that that wouldn't be contaminated wouldn't be an issue. And I just thought people were getting confused. And I posted a link to the current policy on eBay, which today is August 27th, 2019. And it does not say that. So you can pause the video here and read over all of that, but used is still allowed under certain conditions. You have to read what the conditions are. So Katie came on and said, when I tried to list a body wash, I had the option of choosing used, but then got a pop-up. When I tried to post the listing that used products were not permitted, I ended up putting it on Mercari. And I asked her, was it one of those warning messages that just wants you to reread everything and make sure you're compliant with the policy, or was she totally blocked from doing it? And she said she was totally blocked from listing this used item. So then Lisa showed me this conversation on eBay for business where someone asked, and I'm hiding the names here to protect these people's identity because this is kind of a news report. It's not like a Money Making Monday where people have given permission for their names to be used. Anyway, someone asked, why can't we sell used lotion anymore? Used lotion or perfume sales are really good. And eBay for Business said, we're sorry for any confusion. We do not allow the sale of perfume or lotions because these products are related, I think she meant regulated, by the FDA, and used cosmetics cannot be sold under Federal Food, Drug, and Cosmetic Act. We trust that you'll find new products under this category that will sell well. And I'm not happy with that at all because we all know that vintage health and beauty products are great sellers. And for some people, that is a huge part of their business. Jennifer said that her drafts for used perfume listed under perfume were deleted from eBay. Tammy said that she tried to list some powder last week and the only option it gave was new or new without box. Used is no longer an option. And here's what Tammy was seeing when she tried to list that item is your only options are new with box or new without box. Then Lisa told Jennifer that for perfume, you can list it under collectible perfume, but unfortunately, all other products, there's nowhere to list them as pre-owned. Then someone asked, is there any reason we can't use the collectible category for all of these used products? I assume people are searching specifically for the name of the product in most cases anyway. And someone else commented, many fear that loophole may close where you can list the fragrances under collectible or end up as an account violation. Without the packaging, the ingredient list is missing. So there's a lot of people confused about this right now, and they're trying to list these items, and eBay's not allowing these listings to go up. I looked on the eBay announcements board to see is there any clarification about this, and no. The last thing put on the eBay announcement board was from July 24th. This is a month later. So eBay has not given us an official word on anything. The policy hasn't been updated on the site. So yeah, we're all confused. I am going to post this video or send it to eBay for Business so they can give us an official answer, and I'll do a follow up on that. And I encourage all of you watching to post this in your groups, and just so the eBay community will be aware that this is going on, because this is really huge. Vintage or even not vintage, partially used fragrances are a big money maker for us sellers and for eBay. And it's not a contamination issue, especially if there is a spray in the perfume bottle, like some of these pictured here. How could that possibly be contaminated? Nothing can get in there. So I'm hoping and asking eBay here on this social media platform on behalf of all eBay sellers that they figure out a way to allow this, because it's really not hurting anybody. We're not, it's not contaminated. And this has been going on for over 20 years now. People have been selling these types of products with no problems, and our customers are very happy. There's people out there that want to find that vintage Estee Lauder perfume that's not made anymore, that vintage Chanel that's not made anymore, whatever it might be. And yeah, this is upsetting to a lot of people in the eBay community. So please spread this video around so that people can be aware of what's happening here. And hopefully eBay will get the word that, we'd like them to find a way to allow us to keep selling these items, because they are not only profitable, but desired by our customers. Thanks so much for watching, and please comment below. Have a great day on eBay. Bye.